everyone. I don't know if you know, but twice a year, Pampered Chef comes out with new products. We discontinue some of our old ones, and it's in the spring and the fall. So spring 2020 products are here, and I just wanted to show you just a little bit about them. I don't know if you know about these, but our oven mitts, well, these are awesome. I use them all the time. Then we have microwave grips, which these are great for the microwaves because you're picking up tiny things, easy to use. And now one of our new things is our mini oven mitts, because sometimes neither one of those sizes work right. Look at these. They're like little sharks, man. They're coming to get you. I love them. You notice the color though. They're not red. Nope, we've got a whole new look this year, and all of our oven stuff for keeping your fingers from getting burned are now gray. So everything will be gray this year. That's pretty cool. Now, I love these. These are perfect. Sometimes these are too small, and I just really don't want to pull this out when I'm trying to grab something. So this is a medium size. I know the mini oven mitts I have used a lot. Now, the next thing I wanted to show you was, it is a new but old returned item, one of my favorites, and I have had mine for 20 some years. It is our mini whisk. Oh my God, guys, this is just amazing. I could not believe they took it away when they did. I was so sad. I would not throw mine away or give mine away. I had so many customers that were so sad, and every time somebody got the ceramic egg cooker, this is one, like a must, because if you're going to scramble those eggs, it's perfect size for in there. So there's a sneak peek of some of our new spring 2020 items. I'll be showing you more later.